work out this function notation stuff. On this first one, we want to use the f equation, and we want to put in a negative 3 for x. So I have the function value of f at negative 3 is equal to 7 minus 3 times negative 3. So 7 plus 9, f at negative 3 is going to equal positive 16. My next one, again using that f equation, I want to use a 5 for x. So f of 5 is equal to 7 minus 3 times 5. F of 5 is going to be negative 8. My next one, g equation this time. So g of 8 is going to equal 9 times 8, or 56. Oh, gracious, 72. Almost got a little nuts there. Putting that in. G of 0, just going to be 0. 9 times 0. And then h of negative 2. Be very careful when you've got exponents and negative numbers. We'll have h of negative 2 is equal to 3 times negative 2 squared minus 5. Remember, this is negative 2 squared, or positive 4. Positive 4 times 3 is 12. Minus 5 is 7. My last one is find the value of x so that f of x equals 16. Remember, if they're asking for x, they will not give you an x value. So my function value is 16, still using f, still using this one. 16 is equal to 7 minus 3x. We are looking for the x value that would make this true. So I'm going to go in, subtract 7 from both sides. You'll get 9 is equal to negative 3x. Divide the 3 off, and you will get x is equal to negative 3. My next one, g of x is equal to 12. Find the value of x. So 12 is equal to 9x. You're going to get a fractional answer here. Not the biggest problem. You'll get 12 over 9, which reduces to 3 over 4. Ready to go. On these next problems, we've got our sequences. Determine where there's arithmetic, geometric, or none. What will be the next two terms? This one, you've got a plus 12, plus 12, plus 12, plus 12. It's going to be arithmetic. And the next two terms, plus 12 would be 61, and plus 12 would be 73. This one, you've got squares. This is 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared, 7 squared. It is neither. And on my next two terms, 7 squared, 8 squared, and 9 squared. This one, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2 is going to be geometric. My next two terms, divide by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Write the explicit formula if a sub 1 is 7 and the common difference is 8. So for any number in my sequence, I would take that first term of negative 7 and then I would add 8 a certain number of times. So if I want the 100th term, I would add 8 99 times. So my 100th term is going to be negative 7 plus 792. That would be 99 times 8. And then minus that 7 off, a sub 100 is going to equal 785. Geometric is the same basic idea. Our starting number is 5 and our common ratio is 10. So for any number in the sequence, I would take that 5 and I would multiply it by 10 a certain number of times. If I want the 10th term, I'm going to multiply 5 by 10 9 times. So my 10th term, you're going to have 5 times 10 to the 9th, which would be 9 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, boom, boom, 5 billion. Very exciting. This next one, we have started our career. We're making 54,200. I'm going to have to get a calculator. And so what I'm going to do is I start out making 54,000. I'm going to add 750 for each year that I have experience. 54,200 plus 750 per year of experience. My 35th year, I have 34 years of experience. My first year was my rookie year, so it does not count. I would have made 54,200. So it'll be 750 times 34 plus 54,200. We'll punch that out real quick. We have 34 times 750. We're going to add to that 54200, and we will get 79,700 as our answer there.